The months leading up to launch were incredibly hectic. We had so much to do, we had so little time to get it done, but somehow or another we managed to get it all done before launch. But even then, the surprises weren't over. We had the worst solar flare event ever recorded in human history hit our vehicle. And just days before landing on Mars, Mars threw out a global dust storm that threatened both Spirit and Opportunity.
All those things build up to a pretty tense evening when you're sitting there waiting for the signal to come back.
Awaiting confirmation from the spacecraft that retrorocket ignition has occurred. At this point in time, we should be on the ground.
What do we see?
We had Spirit on the ground. That was going very well, and Opportunity was getting there close, and it looked like it was going to be great. And then suddenly Spirit, which had been going so well, had this problem with a memory. And we didn't know at the beginning what it really was. And, we're very concerned that it could possibly be very serious.
In fact, it was the morning of Opportunity's landing before we actually found out that Spirit was going to survive the software problems that had been plaguing it the last week. What a great lead-in for Opportunity's landing later that night.
Opportunity lander is go for entry, descent, and landing.
We're seeing it on the LCP. The signal's on the LCP.
2 rovers on the surface of Mars. What an amazing feeling, and what a relief.
And we got those first pictures from Meridiani, and it was like nothing anybody had ever seen before.
Oh, look at this!
It showed unambiguously layered bedrock. Couldn't be more than 10 meters away from us. The thing that we were hoping, praying that after, hundreds of meters of driving, maybe we'd find. Maybe. Bang.
It was in that outcrop that we discovered clear evidence that the rocks had been deposited in flowing liquid water on the surface of Mars. Evidence that Mars once had an environment that could have supported life. Think of what that means for future Mars exploration.
So here we are a year later, and both rovers are still going strong. They could die tomorrow, a month from now, or a year from now. Whatever happens, it has been a fantastic journey for these 2 rovers.